Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing wonderful today. I'm the Portfolio Panda. Do you think that shares in large companies creating pointless doodads is boring? Maybe you'd like to invest your money into art instead? Thing that looks pretty and makes me money? Sign me up. I know, this pretty picture is worth $1 million. Well, there goes my dream of being an art tycoon. Today we are looking at Masterworks. This isn't a sponsorship or anything. I was just interested in looking into this one because it seems like a unique topic. Masterworks Group is a company that allows investors to buy and sell shares in high-end art pieces. The company acquires works of art from established artists and then offers fractional ownership in those artworks to investors. This allows investors to invest in art without having to buy an entire piece themselves, which can be very expensive. Once a work of art is acquired by Masterworks Group, the company files it with the Securities and Exchange Commission and offers shares to investors through a platform. Investors can then buy and sell shares in the artwork on the platform, much like they would trade stocks. The value of the artwork is determined by factors such as the artist's reputation, the rarity of the piece, and the demand for the work. As the value of the artwork increases over time, investors can potentially sell their shares for a profit. I won't try and pretend to know anything about art. People spend years studying art history to become experts in the topic, and frankly I don't care for art that much. But what I do know is that if they want people to become involved in a platform that chooses the art fee, you're going to want to know who's running the show. Let's break down the core principles of how this platform works. The company buys art. They start a company that's sole purpose is to own that piece of work, and they sell the shares to that company. After a set amount of time they sell the art and you receive your pro rata proceeds after their fees. If you don't want to wait until the end, you can sell your shares on their trading market. Like throwing a chunk of meat to a group of ravenous dogs, the system only works if the meat is good. Who is responsible for choosing the artwork that is brought into the platform, and why should I trust them? The people behind Masterworks. There's a lot of run-of-the-mill investment banker types that will probably bore you to death. I see a couple of people that stand out from the bunch to me. Scott Lin is the CEO of Masterworks. Building himself up from advertising, martech, and fintech companies, he has become an avid art collector. Why is this important? Given the nature of the platform, you would hope that the big dog running the show would like art. Masha Golovin serves as the EVP of Acquisitions at Masterworks. Prior to this, she was an Associate VP for 4 years at Christie's Auction House. She has an education background of art history and economics. Spending time around a luxury auction house would suggest she has a reasonable idea of how much artworks actually sell for, rather than just their perceived value. While we may think that purchasing art only contains the initial purchase price, there are a lot of other costs and factors to go into consideration. Some artworks must be stored in a climate-controlled room. The logistics behind moving artwork can be quite complicated. Special crates often need to be custom built to ensure the artwork isn't damaged, which can cost thousands of dollars to produce. If the art is moving between countries, there are taxes and other import charges, not to mention the freighting costs alone. Masterworks charges an annual fee of 1.5%, which covers professional storage, insurance, administrative costs, regulatory filings, quarterly appraisals, and trading. Further to this, they will take 20% of the profits made upon successful sale of the works. These are the main fees that I could find. There is more information available on the offer letter on sign up, but I haven't joined the waiting list to sign up for an account, nor do I plan to. If you sign up, read the offer letter carefully. The biggest issue I have with this platform is liquidity. Yes, there is a trading market to sell your shares early. However, this trading market is not open to non-US residents, and volume of trade information is currently unavailable to me as I do not have an account. The fact that a lot of this information is not easily available makes me concerned. If there is a thriving market with many trades per day, then that's something you would think they would be very transparent about. Investing in art through Masterworks Group can be a way to diversify a portfolio and potentially earn returns that are not correlated with other types of investments. However, investing in art also carries risks, such as fluctuations in the art market and the possibility that the artwork may not appreciate in value as expected. It's important for investors to do their research and understand the risks before investing in art through Masterworks Group or any other platform. As usual, let me know any questions in the comments below, and make sure to share this with your least financially savvy friend, then tell me if I did okay in explaining the topic. Your most valuable asset is your time. Thank you for sharing yours with me. Until next time.